Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. So guys, in this video I will teach you how to play an audio file from the live server, okay, in your Android application. Alright, it is beneficial in case if you want to play an audio file from the server. I mean, you can play a song or any mp3 file. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, we have I have a button. Okay, so whenever the user will click on the button, an audio file will be played. Alright, so let's go to our main activity. In here, let's specify a method. Click void play file. Alright, so guys, in here we need to use media player. Okay, new media player. Alright, and after that you need to set the data source. So you can say media player dot set data source, and in here you need to provide the link of your mp3 file. Alright, so I will do that in my last, okay, in last. So another thing which we need is to prepare the media player. So we can use the set on prepared listener. So we can say set on prepared listener, new on prepared listener. Okay, so in our on prepared method, what we need to do is we just need to save mp dot start. All right, so now the it will be started. Okay, so the file will be played. After that, in here we need to run. Okay, so now it's saying that you need to use the IO exception. Okay, so we can say IO exception. And let's cut it here and paste it here. Alright, and let's also cut that and paste it here. After that, in here you need to write media player dot set. Okay, so dot prepare async. Okay, so that's it. So now we need to get the mp3 link. So for that we can use this link. Alright, so let's copy it and paste it here. Alright, and that's it. So we need to set the on click method. So we can say on click play file. All right, you must set the internet permission here. All right, so let's see if it works or not. So let's run our app. Let me open the side sync application. All right, so now my phone is connected. So let's run the, okay, let me connect my phone. Alright guys, so now the build.gradle is finished, and now we can see. Okay, so now if I click on the button,
Coward.
okay, so we can hear the mp3 file. Alright, so it's only of 1 second. So if I click on button again,
Coward.
okay, so guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.